When I tell you Dollar Tree delivered on these, oh my goodness, they delivered. But let's check out their mascara, shall we? Let's go. Honey, I was expecting this to ring my bells. I was expecting this to ring my bells. And my bell didn't even ring a little bit. Okay. It is an honor to show you guys these fancy items that Dollar Tree has. They are definitely not holding back. Check this out. All right, family. So we gonna try these three items out. I had purchased from Dollar Tree today. We got some mascara right here. I meant to get the lipstick, but instead I had got the lip gloss, and this one is Peace. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna say the name as I go. All right, Joe. Let's see. Okay, and it has a cooling effect on there. I thought this was sort of like a lip plumper, but it doesn't say that. Oh, I like that. Now, it doesn't really, I mean, on the bottle, it has like a pink color, but I can't really tell. It just looked pretty much clear to me. So this one is called Peace. I like this. And of course, this is from LA Colors. Let's try the next one. The next one is a tinted lip oil. And this one is called Crazier. Why did I get that? What? You know what? Why? All right, let's go on with Crazier. I mean, the fact that these are $1.25, I mean, this is a steal deal to me. Ooh, this smells really good. Ooh. Now, they say a lip tint. Tinted lip oil. Well, I guess you can see it a little, honey. I like it. Okay. All right. This is the mascara. Now, it says, I have so many mascaras. Honey, do you have a lot of makeup at home and you just keep on buying more on top of more on top of more? Chill. All right. I don't have nothing on my lashes now. So let's see. Honey, I'm going to have to look over here. I mean, honey, I can't really see nothing. Come on. I guess if you build it up, but I was expecting this to ring my bells, honey. So since this mascara, for me, this is a no-go, okay? The LA Color Mascara is a no-go. But Dollar Tree do have this Lift and Lock Mascara that I absolutely love. And this is from LA Colors. You see the brush is curved. So much better. Absolutely love this. Okay, so let me know in the comment section which one will you guys be trying out. Wait, hold on, honey. Which one would you guys be trying out? LA Colors, they have some amazing lipstick colors. Now, I meant to get the lipstick, but I don't know why I just went ahead and picked these up. Anywho, with that being said, let me know what you guys rate the tinted lip oil, and then also the plump gloss. So this is a plumper. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep rocking out. Let the next clip roll. Okay, so did someone say Target? Look at these. So these are adjustable headbands. They are $1.25. They come in 2 different designs. They have, and this is really, really good. So if you guys are doing lace fronts or anything like that, these are amazing to have. They have the black one, and then they also have the leopard one. Absolutely amazing. All right, my loves, if you happen to go to Dollar Tree, or if you just looking for like an adjustable headband, right, to pretty much, if you wear lace fronts or anything like that, you need to keep your wig down, honey, do understand that Dollar Tree has these for $1.25. And when I tell you the edges are slayed and not delayed, okay, they are slayed. Now, I absolutely love the leopard. This is really, really cool. Make sure you guys are checking your nearest Dollar Tree. Now, if you guys have not seen this is definitely a Target brand. This is Beauty and Planet, and this normally goes for $8.99 at Target. At Dollar Tree, they have this for $1.25. I think this is definitely, in fact, I know this is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Other new items Dollar Tree has is the BioPure antibacterial hand wipes. You get 40 wipes for $1.25. And this is honey apple. Ooh, I like that. Kills 99.9% of germs. Love this. Okay, so this is mainly why I came here, because I so wanted to grab a few of these. Now, this is the LA Colors Eyes and Lip Studio. They have the lip liners over here, Miss You, With You. They also have the lip cooling right here. And then they also have these tint and moisturize lip oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. Okay, and then grab this one. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some mascara. Okay, and then eyeliner. I don't need no eyeliner. Okay, so we got these 3. Okay, so I had seen this. Dollar Tree had this. This is the vanilla and cream pre-shave scrub. With shea butter, exfoliates and prep skin for shaving. And then they also have the nourishing shave oil with coconut oil. And then they also have the post-shave serum. Now, I don't do that much shaving, so this definitely most likely wouldn't be for me. Okay, I do it once in a blue, honey. All right, so these are $1.25. Love this. So Dollar Tree has these nails from Lady Bird. I'm definitely going to get one of these 12 pieces for $1.25. Love this. Now Dollar Tree has these make brush cleaner bowls. I'm definitely going to grab one of these for $1.25. Alright, so I'm definitely going to grab 2 of these. This is the Pine Glow, $1.50, not bad at all. I'm going to grab this one, and then I'm also going to grab the Awesome Floor Cleaner. Now, these edge waxes. I don't really care for them that much, but I'm gonna just go ahead and grab one of these. I had ordered some Basque and Leather edge control that's supposed to be coming next week, so I'm gonna just grab this in the meantime, in between time, especially since I have that adjustable band. All right, family, so I forgot to do an outro. Like, I purchased the items, and as I left at a Dollar Tree, I just kept on walking. My bad, y'all. Listen, so I am very, very satisfied with the items that I purchased. However, that mascara was a no-go for me. Let me know in the comment section, what are you guys going to purchase your next Dollar Tree visit? And what are some of the goodies that you found this week? With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.